This California Lifestyle Realty property video is presented by Mary L. Williams. Less than bedroom greater than Cal DRE license number 1,277,445. Rear south facing, master's resident 3-floor plan. Fantastic Santa Rosa Mountain views with this elevated expansive lot, beautiful cascading waterfalls into both spa and pool. Great luscious landscaped side and backyard with plenty of privacy. Master bedroom with fireplace, wonderful master bath with separate vanity areas, separate water closets. Beyond the master is a beautiful office with double doors looking into the courtyard. Guest Casita is a 2-room with living area and bedroom. Lots of possibilities from a designer point of view. Must see this immaculate property. For more information, review the details below.